If you are curious about what LSI keywords are, then this video is perfect for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your instructor from makblogs, and in this lecture we will explore what LSI keywords are and provide straightforward example to illustrate their usage. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. LSI stands for Latent Semantic Indexing. But what exactly are LSI keywords? LSI keywords are not your typical keywords. They are related terms and phrases that search engines use to understand the context of your content better. Right? Context of your content better. Think of LSI keywords as the supporting actors in your content. Help search engines grasp the full picture. Let's look at some examples to make this concept crystal clear. Example 1. Here the main keyword is apple and the LSI keywords are fruit, orchid, healthy and recipes. When your main keyword is apple, LSI keywords like fruit help search engines understand that you are referring to the fruit and not to the technology company. Orchid is related to where apples are grown. Healthy might indicate that you are discussing the nutritional aspects, and recipes implies that you are talking about cooking or baking with apples. These LSI keywords provide context to your content, making it more relevant to various aspects of the topic. Understand? Now, example 2. Here the main keyword is digital camera and the LSI keywords are photography, megapixels, shutter speeds and lens. If your main keyword is digital camera, LSI keywords such as photography emphasize the broader subject of photography involving cameras. Megapixels and shutter speeds indicate specific technical details that are often associated with digital cameras. And lens relate to the important components of a camera. Including these LSI keywords help search engines understand the depth and breadth of your content about digital camera and photography. Visualize LSI keywords as the puzzle pieces that complete the picture of your content. Just like these image examples help clarify concepts. LSI keywords enhance your content's context and relevance. In conclusion, we can say that LSI keywords add layers of meanings to your content. They help search engines grasp your content's context and connect it to the relevant searches. Think of LSI keywords as the secret sauce that makes your content more informative and accessible to your target audience. In our upcoming lessons, we will explore advanced SEO techniques and strategies, including how to effectively implement LSI keywords. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining lecture 14, where we explained what are LSI keywords. If you are seeking exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.